Today we're going to show you step by step how we airbrush this Z-scale copy of our Uncle John's cabin right here on the Iron Horse Model Railroad. Thank you for joining us. Alright, we're just using this Posh single action airbrush right here. We got a compressor under the airbrush table here. Got a glass mixing bowl. We just use regular acrylic paint to save on money. And we're going to mix it 50-50. Maybe a little thinner than 50-50, but not much. Maybe 40 paint, 30 alcohol, and 30 water. I would say that's probably the safest bet. We're not going to need a ton of paint for this project, and so we are just using regular acrylic, and it's not real old. It shouldn't be chunky or have any chips of paint or anything in it. And so we kind of just eyeball this. And what I like to do is stir real good until it's mixed very well. And then when I pick my brush up, I want to see it drip. I don't want to see a steady stream. I don't want the paint to hang on the brush. I want a drip. And when I see a drip for my particular airbrush, my paint is about a perfect consistency. And so, just as a test, I'm not done, but that's about like I like it. It could be a little thicker, maybe, and with a little bit better mixing, we might see that happen, because as the paint, any little chunks break up, it will thicken a little. Also, we've got alcohol in here. And so you give it 10 minutes and it will thicken a little as well. Which is kind of not a problem, and it's kind of nice because as you paint the model, your paint gets a little bit heavier as you go, and you get a nice little thin coat on the bottom layer, and that allows it to dry. And then you got some teeth on the model so the other paint can hold on to it. Let's see if we can. We are dripping. Alright, y'all, we're going to get back to you. We're going to change views, and then we're going to start painting. Going to make sure all the alcohol is cleared out of the brush, and that we have a very small, we've just opened it up enough where we can barely see paint coming out, because we want to leave a fine layer on the first pass. Work my way from the top down. Just want to dust it this time. And now I'll open it up a little bit. Alright, everybody, there it is. The Uncle John's Cabin by Iron Horse Hobbies SMK. This is in the Z scale, everybody. And this is a hybrid filament and resin printed, matter of fact. And you can find this guy on Etsy and eBay. There's going to be a link to the Etsy store in the description. We appreciate you watching. If you're not already a subscriber, we want to encourage you to subscribe. Let's click the bell icon. And please share this with your other modeling friends you think might enjoy it. AJ and I want to thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good one.